Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a backup on your DELL Chromebook 3400. So I think the most convenient way to back up your files is to simply open the files folder, go to your local folders like we have right here, downloads, Linux files, play files, and just copy the important files and paste them to Google Drive, and this way they will be backed up locally, remotely. In the cloud. And otherwise you can just copy and paste them to an external device. In order to do so, you're gonna need to connect this external device to either an SD card slot if it's an SD card, or to the USB port if it's a flash drive, and back them up out there. And if you want to back up your Linux data separately, you have to go to the control center in the bottom right corner, open settings, and here in settings we're gonna have to go to About Chrome OS section, then scroll down to Linux development environment, open this menu, then Backup and Restore. Then let's click Backup next to Backup Linux apps and files, and then just select the Google Drive folder, create a new folder for the backup in the Google Drive, and click Save, or just save a new folder on your external device. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.